35 no yomobe county yo asama mocho yogo kagero kubwateranigwa n'Obokurumi ase emeroberio yogo sangerirwa kwebango okwana isiko yamagacho ye abisiaye mwishimo vinyani gaereire unegetambukiro kiaye nigo gekubwatekana nebikore bya bwango igasa ABAOBISA abo babere bagokuruma chibese cyo chibwendrete goikirania magendro naboigo egati yebikuro korwa 7 inchi ase bona asabire kubwatesigwa eri goikirania sege yo Korwania na gosiro Obokurumi ase county.
In light of the recent revelations and growing public concern, my office is issuing this statement to address the alarming instances of corruption involving public servants entrusted with the welfare of our county. These acts of misconduct not only betray public trust, but also undermine the integrity of our institution and the principles of transparency. The following county staff are hereby suspended with immediate effect. Therefore, will be required to hand over to the respective chief officer and cease transacting any business going forward on behalf of the county government of Machakos. This is because they have been found culpable in one way or another in fraudulent syndicates. We must shift the culture from one that demands corruption to one that demands integrity. We must build systems that reward honesty, not shortcuts. We must protect whistleblowers, not punish them. And thus, I urge you to support me in this fight. It is a fight we must win collectively. The public must also do their right thing. When in doubt, seek clarification. We must stop supporting the culture of corruption and